Hello. Welcome to another video from Mayan Technologies. My name is Ana Muñoz. I am a manufacturing consultant, and today we will be reviewing how to search for records in the P21 environment. It is very common that when we access this system, we face the challenge of not knowing how to locate a specific record. However, P21 offers us a very simple option that allows us to view all existing records and perform searches. The first thing we need to do is locate the screen where we want to perform the search. For example, user maintenance. Once inside this screen, we can identify that some field names are underlined. When a field is underlined, it means we can search for information within it. There are two ways to access the search screen. The first one is by clicking on the field name, and the second one is by clicking directly on the specific field itself. Both options will take us to the same screen. When we double-click, P21 will display a screen where we can see all existing records depending on the selected field. It will show us the ID, in this case, the user ID and the name. Additionally, this screen offers a search text functionality. Depending on the option we have selected, either contains or starts with, we can perform different types of searches. For example, if I select the letter V and use the starts with option, the system will show me all records whose user ID begins with that letter. If I use the contains option, the system will display all records that include the entered text anywhere in the value. From this screen, we can select a record, and by clicking OK, we will see that the previous screen updates to display the selected record with all its information. And that's how we can easily search for records in the P21 environment. I hope this video has been very useful. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the P21 videos we'll be posting. Thank you.